Howdy, hey, hello there. I'm going to be making a pillow sleeve called Pumpkin Seeds by Kansas Troubles Quilters. Here is a picture of what I'm planning on doing. So I've read through the instructions for this a couple of times, and it took me forever to figure out that you're making a pillow cover and a pillow sleeve. I'm also eventually going to be making the big quilt that this shows. I probably won't get that done anytime soon though. I thought I would start with the pillow because I'm just so excited to have something pumpkin-y before the Christmas season rolls around. I mean, it's kind of always a Christmas season, but this way, like before Thanksgiving. But at least I'll have it around for Thanksgiving. And like pumpkin pie is still a thing for Christmas, right? I don't like pie, but you probably like pie. What is your favorite pie flavor? Go! Tell me in the comment section. Sorry, that was a bit harsh, but I would love to know what your favorite pie flavor is. Okay, now I'm just stalling, right? Okay. I'm gonna get to it. Let's go. My instructions tell me that I need to find 9 assorted darks and a green and a brown. The green and the brown will be used for the stems and the leaf. So I guess I'll do that. I don't know which ones to choose. You can do this. Ready? Cut! Okay. Oh, look! How cute! Alright, so there's one down. 9 to go! We got this! We can do it! Oh, finally got it all cut out. I'm kind of ashamed to say how long it took, and I didn't even keep track, so I couldn't tell you even if I did know. But here is everything that I will need other than the batting and the backing, and I'm just going to do muslin for the backing. I think what I'm going to do though is figure out how big this is and then make a pillow to go inside of it rather than having to go and buy one. I mean, it would be easier, it would be faster, but I have plenty of muslin and I have plenty of polyfill, so I think that's just what I'm going to do. So now I am going to iron on my leaf pieces, or my leaf piece, there's only one of them, and I just actually used extra from what the binding and the bottom border fabric is. So there's my little leaf that I'm going to iron on and then cut out and then keep it in a safe place so it doesn't get lost. And then I cut down the brown and those will be my stems. I just reread the instructions and I saw that they use this kind of glue pen that I have when they're doing their glue. I imagine it dries a lot faster and it's a lot less messy. So I thought, heck, I'll try that. I'll give it a try. It looks pretty neat so far. So let's try it. Why not? Ooh, okay, that came out bit more than I was expecting, I guess, or came off a bit more. Maybe I won't do that. Yeah, let's do that instead. Okay, now we'll line this up. How'd that do? Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna do that then. Here is what the finished block will look like. Because now I've finally figured out how to do it properly. Wow, that was actually really fun to sew it this way. I don't know why that was so fun, but I'm just tickled. In case you couldn't tell by the apparent smile and laugh in my voice. Anyway, I'm just going to cut off the extra on the back, like the extra, light tan. Oh my gosh, my brain. I'm cutting off the light tan on these pieces and cutting off the orange on these pieces. Just to cut down on bulk and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do next. I'm basically just cutting like 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch, probably more like 1/4 of an inch away. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Okay, day 2. Hopefully you can see me. I can't tell, but we're working on that. I have everything all cut out. I have the corners trimmed from behind the pretty corners. Now I'm just going to use my quilt wall. Aha! And figure out what order I want them to be in and go from there. trying to get a good look. Okay, I want this one with a green. I think that would be pretty. Maybe I can't put it with a green. Oh, there, that'll work. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so there is one. So you two are friends now. Yay, friendship. Okay. Yeah, I guess that'll work. Oh, here is the finished center of the pillow sleeve. I just need to iron on the stems and the leaf. Here's how I'm doing my pumpkin lines. First thing I did was just measure the pumpkin from top to bottom and side to side. So this one is 4 by 6. So this is 4 by 6. Then I'm just going to fold my piece of paper in half so that both sides will be the same. Now I'm lining up on the edge and between the lines, and I'm marking where the corners are rounded or diagonaled. Then I cut here, and this can be pretty approximate. Line that up, and then from halfway between the new corners and halfway here, I drew a line. So it's just kind of curved. And then from this center corner, I drew another line. Like that. So to get this line, you just cut along here, and you can kind of smooth your edges as you're cutting with your scissors. Ta-da! And then line this back up, center it as much as you can. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, because the less perfect it is, the cuter and the more individual it will be, and the more it will look just like yours. And then I'm just taking my Choco tracer, tracing along that line. Oh wait, that's what I forgot to do. That's easier to see if it's centered than if you unfold it. But you'll do that to both edges. Ta-da! Now fold the paper back in half and cut on your second line. Then you'll open this and line it up and trace it again. And you can do this on the front if you want to. I'm just picky and I don't want the blue chalk, even though it washes out, to be on the front because I don't feel like washing it, actually, is the real reason. So now you have lines that you can trace for your pumpkin, for your quilting. And again, this isn't perfect, but I'm happy with it, so who cares? It's my thing. Now I'm just gonna quilt it. Alright, here it is, all quilted, and I even put the binding on. I went ahead and trimmed this because I am going to flip the binding and then sew it into a tube. And actually, I'm going to be, I'm terrified, but I'm going to try a binding method that I've never tried before. I always do it by hand because then it looks nicer on the back. But you're not going to see the back of this one because it's going to be on the pillow sleeve, and yeah. Okay, so basically I'm still going to trim it just like I always do, but I'm going to flip it and then stitch it on the machine. I think what I'm going to do is use the green thread that I used here with a green bobbin so that it doesn't come up white like it did there. But yeah, wish me luck, I guess. You know, for that being my first time doing the binding that way, it really didn't turn out too terribly. I'm pretty happy with it. I at least caught all of the edge. So now, I'm just gonna flip this. Oh, and I also, in case you couldn't see, I think I might serge this part also. I sewed that, made it into a tube. And yeah, I think I will serge that. I think that'll just help make it look a little bit nicer, keep the batting from fraying and all that junk. Oh my gosh. That's just too cute. Yeah, that didn't match up super well, but again, I'm happy with it. I'm not super happy with this, but it's done and it looks really cute. Oh. Okay, now I want to finish like all that I have left. Wow. Whoa, wow, wow. Okay, all that I have left now is serging this and this and the pillow, and I'll serge that closed, and then I'll put the pillow in the pillow cover and put the sleeve on the pillow sleeve area where the pillow sleeve is supposed to go. Yeah. All right, serger. Seam is serged, and I have my little initial with the year that I completed it. So now I'm just going to put, oh, and I serged these too. Now I'm just going to put the pillow inside of the pillow cover and see for the first time live on camera what this looks like. Come through, come through. Haha, there. Oh, I love it. This is too cute. Oh. Okay, this seriously turned out even cuter than I was expecting. Like, I knew it was going to be cute, but it was kind of hard to see in the picture. But anyway, here is what it looks like next to my face. So you can kind of see a size comparison. Oh, it's nice and, oh man, I want to snuggle with it. So now I thought I would show you, I'm just cleaning it off now. I thought I would just show you really quickly where I'm going to display it. And, well, I guess there's a couple places that I could put this. I really want to see what it looks like on my cute chair, though. And then I'll put it in the living room with the light green furniture. Here it is on the cute, cute chair. Oh, this turned out so cute. Ta-da! And here it is on the couch in the living room. Sorry for the poor lighting. It's really gloomy outside. So there you have it. There is what it looks like on my cute chair and on my green couch. So, yeah, thanks for sticking around and spending some time with me today. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It always makes my day better. I will see you next time. Bye!